Welcome students. In the last lecture we have studied about the adenohypophysis or anterior lobe of the pituitary gland. In this lecture we are going to study the posterior lobe, that is the neurohypophysis. Here the neurohypophysis is divided into three parts, and these three parts are the pars nervosa. This is the part of the neurohypophysis or neural lobe, it is called as. Now, what is the function of this neural lobe? The function is to store the hormones like oxytocin and vasopressin, like or ADH. These are the two hormones which are stored, and these hormones are actually released by this hypothalamus. The next part, the second part is infundibulum. Here, this part is called as the infundibulum. Infundibulum is the stalk by which the pituitary gland or the pars nervosa is connected to the hypothalamus. So, infundibulum connects the neurohypophysis to the hypothalamus. Third part is the median eminence. It is the swollen part of hypothalamus, the base of the hypothalamus. Now, this gland, this pituitary gland, it is formed by the anterior lobe and the posterior lobe. Now we will study the hormones of this neurohypophysis. The first hormone of neurohypophysis, it is not the hormone but it stores the hormone released by the hypothalamus. Now its main role is to store the hormone called as oxytocin, and this oxytocin, it stimulates the contraction of the uterus at the time of parturition. Parturition means expulsion of the full-term fetus from the ovary through the vagina. Also, this oxytocin, it stimulates the contraction of the mammary glands, and it initiates the release of the milk from the breast. So, oxytocin, here oxytocin, two main functions: contraction of uterus, गर्भाशयाच्या आकुंचन प्रसरण, ज्यावेळेस फुल टर्म फिटस त्या ठिकाणी आईच्या गर्भाशयात 9 months 9 days झाल्यानंतर कॉन्ट्रॅक्शन, लेबर पेन्स घडून आणायचं काम, प्रसूतीच्या कळा, वेदना ह्या घडून आणायचं काम, की जेणेकरून that fetus is expelled out. That process is parturition. Second hormone which is stored by the neurohypophysis is ADH, antidiuretic hormone, or vasopressin it is called as. Now this vasopressin, it stimulates the reabsorption of water in the DCT, distal convoluted tubule. Distal convoluted tubule is a part of the nephron, uriniferous tubule, where the reabsorption, पाणी पुनर्शोषित करून घेतलं जातं जे युरिनमधून पास होणार असतं, अँड you are familiar with the nephron, DCT. So ADH stimulates the reabsorption of water in DCT. Also, this ADH or antidiuretic hormone, it reduces the urine quantity